I think Viwinco windows are one of the best windows you're going to find in the industry. From the construction point of view to the energy savings and energy efficient aspect of it, all the way through to the warranty. You're not going to find a better vinyl window in this market.
Hi, my name is David Barnes. I'm the president and CEO of Viwinco. We make windows and doors here in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. We've been in business since 1982. And we have approximately 370 employees. We manufacture replacement, new construction, and impact-resistant windows.
I think a partnership between Viwinco Windows and Hometown Contractors is very significant. You have two businesses that have the same business model. Quality and doing the job right is essentially what Viwinco stands for and what Hometown stands for. Their whole purpose is to get product out and have it to the installers, to the company, so it can be installed and it be flawless from the ordering through the installation process, through the warranty process. And at Hometown, we focus on doing the job right the first time, and it makes it very easy when you have a manufacturer that has the same type of mentality.
Wow, and how to improve on something that's already pretty good? That's a million-dollar question. I found throughout using a lot of different other window companies or other window manufacturers, difficulty of install. So if an installer is a happy installer that doesn't struggle to install a product, is a more productive installer. So then we can schedule jobs more accurately and get more jobs installed in the same amount of time versus jobs that are difficult to install because of the windows. If we order 10 windows, ship 10 windows. We expect a clean, quality product, and Viwinco has met those goals. Viwinco has been a great supplier for Hometown. They've met all our demands for the product we have ordered with lots of options. They even make it simpler for our sales reps to sell jobs that normally couldn't be sold due to size restrictions or wind load restrictions. Viwinco Ocean View products, their hurricane protection line, can't really say anything negative about it. There's a great impact window. It's easy to operate. Heavy as all get out now, but it's a good window.
And I've purchased for over 30 years in my career, and it's one of the simplest ordering systems I've been part of. If something happens and comes up and I need to talk to someone, they're very responsive, very quick to answer my questions or get me the help I need with the issues I may have. So it's been a very good experience for me.
The ease of mind. You don't have to worry about it. The impact window's in there. When the storm's coming, you can prepare other ways, get all your stuff ready. You don't have to worry about putting anything else up, and the windows are already there to protect you.
We're here where you either have to do non-impact with hurricane protection or the ocean view. Time you do and there's no good looking hurricane protection other than a Bahama shutter, but then time you do that, you're way more expensive, so why not just do the impact? It's a window, it's hurricane protection, and like a burglar bar protection all built right into the window. So you're getting 3 products in one.
We believe in the product, and I think that all of our installers show that they also believe in the product, and the support that we have from your team is, it's evident in everyone that works here. It's that knowing what we're installing, we believe in.